In this video, we'll walk through setting up BuddyBoss App NextGen, our mobile app completely rebuilt on Flutter. NextGen is now live and available to all app customers. The rebuild brings a modern, redesigned interface with smoother navigation and fluid animations, noticeably faster performance with quicker load times and greater stability. Let's get into it. From your WordPress dashboard, head to BuddyBoss App, then click App NextGen at the top of the menu. Up at the top, you've got two toggles. The first one is App NextGen. This enables your app to build the new Flutter-based app. NextGen is the app we build going forward, so the React Native version is no longer sold or included with new purchases. If you already have React Native, you keep access to it. Right next to it is Dark Mode, which gives your members the option to switch between light and dark themes. Turn that on too. It's one of the most requested app features in this release. Scroll down a bit and you'll see this live preview. Click between light mode and dark mode to see exactly how it'll look on a real device. And further down, you've got the installation and upgrade guide with the full configuration steps if you need them. With App NextGen enabled, your branding settings are updated for the new app. The main difference is images. Because we now support dark mode, you can upload light and dark mode versions of your branding inside each section. There's a light mode, dark mode switcher to toggle between them. For colors, just define your light mode palette. Dark mode adapts automatically using your brand's dark colors, half the work. Once you're configured, go to BuddyBoss App, then Build and click Request Build. You'll see a section at the top called Select Architecture. Choose App NextGen, new look for the new experience. And if you're an existing React Native customer, select BuddyBoss App Legacy instead. Next, pick your platform. iOS, Android, or both. For environment setup, we strongly recommend starting with internal testing. This generates a build you can install directly on your device, so you can test everything before you push a production release to your community. Then click Generate New Build. Lastly, review your app information and click Send Build Request, and you're done. Once your production build is ready, publish to the App Store and Google Play exactly the way you always have. One last thing before you go live, test thoroughly on internal testing first and only push a production release once you're happy. And that's how you set up BuddyBoss App NextGen. These steps give you full control over your app's look, build and roll out across your entire community. If this video helped, give it a like and subscribe for more BuddyBoss tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.